How we can be a real millionaire in 2025? In the last video, we explored the foundation of becoming rich in 2025, setting clear goals, mastering your mindset, and identifying high-potential opportunities. But that was just the beginning. In this video, we're diving into the actionable steps and smart strategies that will help you turn those plans into real, tangible wealth. Let's get started. Guys, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to becoming rich in 2025, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on life-changing tips like these. Step 6. Get yourself in the room. If you want to go from zero to millionaire, you need to be around people who can help you get there. If you don't put yourself in those spaces, you'll stay stuck where you are. Here's how I approached this. Whenever I attended a conference or event, I used it as a deadline to prepare myself. I'd tell myself, in 3 months I'll be at this event, and I need to have something valuable to share. Maybe it was completing a project, building a landing page, creating an offer, anything that would show I was serious and had something to contribute. At that moment, I was honest with myself. I wasn't ready yet. I didn't have much to offer, but setting that event as a goal gave me a target. It pushed me to work hard over those 3 months so that when I showed up, I'd be someone worth connecting with. The key here is commitment. When you commit to being in a room with high achievers, you push yourself to level up. You prepare because you know the types of people who will be there, and you want to bring your best. If you're studying the top 10 people in your field, figure out where they'll be, conferences, workshops, or networking events, and invest in getting in those rooms. Even if it feels like a stretch financially, it's worth it. When you're in the room, impress them, show up prepared, bring value, and be someone they'd want to connect with. Proximity to successful people changes everything. It inspires you, challenges you, and opens doors you wouldn't have found otherwise. The next step is simple but powerful. Research who's going to be in the room before you even get there. Think of it as becoming an expert on the people you want to meet, but in a smart, professional way. Let me explain. Your goal isn't to meet every single person at the event. That's overwhelming and ineffective. Instead, focus on finding a handful of key people who can help you get to where you want to go. These are the people you want to connect with, so it's important to do your homework ahead of time. Here's how. 1. Check the event details. Is there a WhatsApp group, a Facebook page, or another way attendees are connecting? 2. Join those groups and pay attention. Learn who's attending and identify the people you most want to meet. 3. Research them. Find out what they do, what they've achieved, and what they're working on. This way, when you meet them, you'll be informed and ready to have meaningful conversations. What's great about today's world is that most events are tied to some kind of community. Organizers want attendees to connect, so they often create spaces for people to interact before the event. Take advantage of this. It's your chance to prepare and stand out. The key here is to show up ready and confident. Millionaires don't walk into a room unprepared. They know exactly who they want to meet and what they want to talk about. Follow their lead, and you'll make the most of every event you attend. To start earning and succeeding like a millionaire, one crucial skill you must master is selling. The wealthiest and most successful people all excel at selling. It's a core part of their success. Making money is like a game, and selling is the rule book. Every day you need to sell yourself, your ideas and your vision to customers, teammates, and potential partners. Whether you aim to be an engineer, lawyer, entrepreneur, or real estate agent, you need to know how to sell. It's not just about a career, it's about your ability to communicate value and inspire action. Learn the skill you're passionate about while simultaneously developing your sales expertise. Sales will remain a vital part of your journey toward becoming a millionaire. A great starting point is Sell or Be Sold by Grant Cardone. This book teaches you how to believe in yourself first, which is essential because confidence is the foundation of effective selling. If you aren't sold on yourself, convincing others becomes a struggle. Contrary to common misconceptions, selling isn't about being pushy or deceiving people. It's about listening, understanding their needs, and offering solutions that genuinely solve their problems. When you approach sales with empathy and purpose, it becomes a powerful tool for success. At this stage, you've chosen your niche, built valuable relationships, invested in learning, and honed your sales skills. Now it's time to focus on earning, which starts with setting clear financial goals, your millionaire metrics. To become a millionaire, you need a concrete plan. For example, if you earn $2,740 daily, you'll hit $1 million in a year. Break this down further. Determine how many units of your product, hours of your service, or deals you need to close daily to reach your target. This clarity gives you a roadmap, showing exactly what you need to achieve every day. Challenges and obstacles will arise. They're part of the journey. But staying committed to your targets and consistently working toward them is key. Remember, roadblocks are not failures, they're lessons. With focus, determination, and clear daily goals, your millionaire path becomes achievable. Let's listen to the final step. The final step to thinking, acting, and earning like a millionaire is simple but powerful. Remind yourself every single day that you're still broke. You might think, I already know that I'm broke. Why do I need a daily reminder? But here's why it's essential. You need to stay connected to both your current reality and the vision of where you want to be. This reminder serves two purposes. 1. Motivation. It keeps you aware of what you're working so hard to achieve. 2. Focus. It pushes you to stay on track and not give up when the process gets tough. Here's how I do it. I look at my vision board and then my bank account. Vision board, bank account, back and forth. Why? Because my current reality doesn't yet match my potential, and that's true for you too. Your circumstances today might not reflect the greatness you're capable of, but your potential is limitless. You have to believe deeply that you can achieve your vision. The difference between where you are now and where you want to be lies in learning the specific skills and knowledge required to get there. When you see it this way, the journey becomes simpler and more actionable. Creating your dream life is possible, but it starts with that daily reminder. Where you are now is temporary, and you're capable of so much more. If you want a deeper look into how I approach building a dream life, check out this video. It could be the inspiration you need to take the next step. Now it's your turn. Share your biggest takeaway in the comments, give this video a like if it inspired you, and make sure you're subscribed because the best is yet to come.